saw the line. All right, guys, we came to Chandni Chowk. This is an old market that was established in the 17th century. This was once one of the grandest markets established by Jahanara Begum. Chandni Chowk, Moonlight Square. Bentley car, I think Modi is in it. Okay, guys, we got the Bentley car right here. I think maybe that's Modi. Maybe that's Modi, or that's Amitabh Bachchan. That's the beauty of the rickshaw. Is that you can conversate with the driver, other driver. Okay, guys, welcome to Delhi.
It's 150.
150, 100, 100.
120
Guys, this is better than taxi. The air passing, it's good. Everything's good. And the bike is good.
And it's hot, bro. It's hot over here. It's super hot. All right, guys, this is what happens when you start going, when you go to the YouTube for the directions. You wind up getting nowhere. Following Max Daily to try to find this guy. But I think he actually started doing his own channel somewhere in the mountains doing head massages. So there's no guy over here. All right, guys, she said this is India made.
Yeah, it's a ramp for the motorbike, the vehicle to go. I wish Nepal could do this kind of thing.
Now we're gonna go to try to do another thing that we saw on YouTube. This is not things that the tourists do when they come here.
Hey, look at this. This is India, okay?
Okay, guys, we're trying to cross the street right here. It's getting a little crazy, bro. Trying to cross over here, guys. They got a big cow over here, bro. Cow is super big, bro. All right, she's trying to cross. I don't think it's safe over here to cross, but we're gonna try to cross now. A young kid over here. Ah, yes. We got it, bro. Namaskar. Namaste, namaste. Have a seat. Let's sit down. Seat. All right, guys, we got the spot, bro. Here it is, guys. Okay.
Oh, dear.
Yeah.
2 beer.
No, I don't want myself.
Yeah, for you.
No, I don't drink this.
1.
One?
Yeah, 1. Okay, guys. This is Kingfeemer. We got a nice cold one. We finally found this spot, guys. It seemed like
Very strong.
It's
strong. Super strong.
Super strong.
Yeah.
Yes.
How much?
How much? 140.
140.
How much extra
140
charges?
कितने का बोला जाता है? 140.
140.
140. Okay, Babuji.
Ah, yes.
Gilas. Gilas.
Nahi hai. Ah, Kingfeemer. China. Kingfisher. Kingfisher.
Kingfeemer.
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 This is what I've been coming
Oh.
for.
आप क्या खाएंगे? पानी?
आप क्या खाओगे बताओ? हमें टैक्सी के 2 पीस वाली है.
टैक्सी?
Holding.
और दे दो.
Okay, guys. Here's the Kingfeemer. Taste is super good.
I gave him because he
Ah.
was.
Very good.
How is it?
It's good. Very good.
लाना पड़ेगा उसको.
It is good. It tastes good.
क्या हो गया? अरे
Honestly.
यार, कल मामला गड़बड़ हो गया है यार. मामला गड़बड़ हो गया.
क्या मामला गड़बड़?
आपको नहीं वापस का ही.
रोटी?
ऐसे रहेगा.
रोटी?
Roti.
कितना का रोटी?
6 रुपए.
6 रुपये.
I gotta finish this whole Kingfeemer.
पहले इसको तो निकालो.
I don't think I can finish it. Oh God. This is Kingfisher.
Kingfeemer.
Kingfeemer, yeah.
Kingfeemer.
Very good.
Why is he looking at me?
You want to take a little taste? Little bit.
No, I don't want it. No,
Just a taste.
No.
I just want to see your
I
reaction,
said
no?
I don't want it.
Okay, she don't want it, guys.
अरे थोड़ा तुम ले लो
नहीं
ले लो
नहीं भैया जी
One taste.
No.
Kingfeemer, guys. It shows the guys fishing, father and son. We're gonna drink one more Kingfeemer, guys. We got one thing done out of our list of things to do. One down, more to go.
This guy bring me all the way. Oh my God, 30 minutes to all together 30 minutes plus how many minutes? 25 minutes. Hour and 15 minutes. मुझे हिंदी नहीं बोलना आता थोड़ा
थोड़ा हिंदी इनको हिंदी नहीं बोलने आता
उसका हिंदी बोलने आता
थोड़ा
समझते मतलब हम लोग जो बात बोलेंगे वो तो समझ जाएंगे आप जहाँ आएंगे हिंदी
Do you understand what I say? He said.
थोड़ा
थोड़ा
वो
Why is he jump me थोड़ा
Jai bole ki?
क्या बोले
वही तो कर रहा हूँ आप हिंदी में समझ आ रहा है मेरे को इनका समझ नहीं
हम
आ
लोग का
रहा
मंदिर बन गया जय श्री राम
Jai Shri Ram.
जय श्री राम
है
हाँ हम इंडिया ही क्या हाँ
ये एरिया से
नहीं मैं वहाँ बिहार बिहार नेपाल का बॉर्डर
Nepal ka border.
हाँ नेपाल का
आराम से
बॉर्डर
रहिए गर्मी बहुत है यहाँ भी बहुत है
बिहार से हाँ यहाँ नीतीश कुमार उधर से
फिर इधर बिजनेस
इधर नौकरी कर रहे
दूध कर ही है
काम कर रहे
दूध कर ही है कि ना
और मैं महात्मा कुछ नहीं शुद्ध शाखा है सवेरे बड़े आदमी उठ के हमारे प्रणाम करते हैं
रोटी नहीं
जानता भी बात करी ना 2
रोटी
मिनट
हम खाते हैं लेकिन अभी नहीं थोड़ी देर में खाऊंगा अभी नहीं खाऊंगा पहले जो हम भोग लगाते जय श्री राम भोले बाबा का उनको भोग लगाते तब
आपका नाम क्या है भैया जी
अरे श्री पटेल
श्री पटेल ओके थैंक यू भैया व्हाट्स योर नेम
I'm Professor Kapoor.
लेट्स गो
बाबू एक चलना बहुत जरूरी है बाबू
Mind your head.
I mean to say you are boss of yourself.
Okay.
You cannot work under force and pressure.
Okay.
Number 2, don't tell to anybody what are you going to do or about your future plan.
see
Your 2 problems are the main thinking too much and strong problem.
Yes. So I noticed that on the back of the truck, it says Longhorn. That's why you hear so many honking. All right, guys, it's totally getting windy over here. This is like a weather phenomenon, and the pollution and the dust and everything. So make sure you have some sunglasses, or maybe make sure you bring some goggles, even better. And I don't know if it's just this area, but it is getting dusty, and I don't think you can see it. All the stuff is coming up, dusting, coming up. All right, guys. My recommendation, pro tip, she's got sunglasses on. All right, guys, we just came over to the liquor store in India, bro. So let's get out of here.